Hello, how are you, man? Ryan, Adam, nice to meet you, man. Alrighty guys, we are heading off to Gembrook and then Healesville. All good? Ready? Let's go! Yo, what is up guys? Today we're on a bit of a group ride. I threw out an invite on my Instagram story a few days ago saying I was going to go for a ride with Josh. If anyone wants to come along, feel free to join. We had one person answer the call, Ryan, who's here with us on his MT-07, and behind him we've got Josh on his Tenere 700. Josh has been with me since I began my riding journey all those years ago. The OGs would remember him. He was riding a MT-09 back then, and he's now on a Tenere 700. He's entering the old man arc, where you go from a fast, powerful bike to an ADV. He's gonna have a lot of fun on that thing, I just know it. Anyways, I've been wanting to kind of start organizing some events, some group rides, but I've always been a little apprehensive about it because understandably it'd be opening up the invite to complete strangers on the internet, you know, and if something goes wrong, I don't want it to be attached to the GutterRash name. I decided to dabble in this concept just by throwing it out on an Instagram story, super casual, low pressure. I mentioned that there would be a very, very small group, and that's what we've managed to achieve today. The vibes are good. We're out on the bikes, the weather's amazing. I woke up super excited this morning and I was trying to figure out why. I've been on many group rides in my time. What was special about this? And I then realized the last time I took the Gixxer out into some proper twisties was my Stratford trip, which was in September. That's how bloody long it's been. You just blink and suddenly, what, like 4 or 5 months have passed. The roads aren't damp, which is good. It hasn't rained recently, but we've still got to look out for obstacles, you know, oncoming vehicles. These lanes are narrow, gravel on the road, debris on the road, out in the hills, that's very commonplace, potholes. So we're going to take it easy. We started in Pakenham and we're heading up to Healesville, and we're going to go via Gembrook. Do you want to keep going, or do you want to stop here for a drink? Maybe we'll keep going then, because that was pretty short, eh? This is the fun road. I'm going to focus on body positioning, but the main focus is going to be the street riding sporty style, which is where you just use your upper body, you aim your chest and your head in the direction you want to go, and you shoot. And that's sufficient for a public road. Fuck, I'm already cramping. Comfortable, man. Yeah, I'm gonna rein it in. Just not used to this bike properly, and it's been too long since I've ridden this road. I don't remember all the corners, the particular potholes, the bumps. I'm not happy with how I'm taking these corners, so I'm gonna slow it down, reel it back in a little bit.
Now you know what's weird?
What?
Being the quietest one in the group.
You're not used to that, are you? Alright, we just had a nice iced beverage at Beechworth Bakery, and we're about to head off down the Black Spur. But as you can see, this place is like a mecca for motorcyclists. Everyone kind of parks up before heading down the Black Spur. Clearly great weather for it. The seats on these machines are very hot right now, but it's kind of the price you pay for good weather. Ryan's had to leave us, but Josh and I are going to faff about on the Black Spur, take it nice and easy. I need to stretch, otherwise I know I'm going to cramp up. Fuck, I hate stretching. It's such a chore. This is why I don't do yoga or Pilates or anything of the sort. All right, let's go. I feel refreshed. My biggest enemy on this bike is the cramping. It really puts a dampener on the ride because you can't focus on anything but the cramp. It's not just like a mild discomfort. It dominates the entire ride at that point in time. Hey, look at that. Ninja 400. He's out in a t-shirt and I'm so envious of that because this is the kind of weather you want to have good ventilation in. But like I said in another video of mine, once you start breaking the habit and the routine of gearing up for every ride, that's when it becomes a slippery slope. Yeah, 60. Oh, 60 feels so slow on a bike like this. Wow, wow, wee. Wah, wah, wee, wah. What is it that we have to remind ourselves? To take it easy. To take it easy. Shit, an ambulance. Subtle foreshadowing. Nah, none of that. Alright, we're gonna trail brake in, release, look through the corner. Nice, that was pretty solid. That was pretty solid. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Black Spur. A road that many car enthusiasts and motorcyclists have to come visit at least once or twice in their life. Now, I will say, you'll probably have to do it a couple of times to enjoy it without too much traffic in front of you, but it's still beautiful. Like, you're just riding through these incredible vistas of trees that just shoot straight up, reaching for the sky. Hey, street triple, baby. I want to ride one. If you have a street triple or a Daytona 675 that you don't mind me reviewing, please reach out to me through my Instagram, GutterRash Rides. And if you potentially want to join us for more group rides like these, then also go follow GutterRash Rides on Instagram, because that's probably where I'll be making those kinds of announcements. Thank you for stopping. What was your name, man?
I'm Arjun, by the way.
Arjun. Adam. Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you, man. Cool. Get going, bud.
Thanks for checking, man.
No
Safe riding. How nice is that? That's the motorcycle community, man. God, his bike sounds good. Thanks, Arjun. If you're watching this, top bloke. Oh, I forgot to put my earplugs in. Shit. Okay, earplugs are in. Now this bike is loud, but that's not the reason I wear earplugs. It's the wind noise that gets you. So even if you've got a quiet exhaust or you're used to your loud exhaust, wear earplugs, man. It's the wind noise that gives you tinnitus, not the noise of your exhaust. And once you start wearing earplugs, you cannot go back. It's such a quality of life upgrade. For riding a motorcycle, you fatigue less too. Yeah, man, that was something, huh? I really was keen to use my drone. I had updated it, made sure all the batteries were charged, tested it out the night before so that this wouldn't happen, and then bloody I go to use it, and for about 20 minutes it doesn't work, and Josh has to leave. It turns out the controller needed a firmware update, like between last night and now. Like, what the hell, man? I eventually got it working, but by then the light was pretty bad in that area. And to top it off, I have to take my phone out of its case to hook it up to the controller, and in doing so the volume button popped off. I can't control the volume on my phone through its buttons anymore. Feeling a bit annoyed, but at least we're on this beautiful road, and because I'm not riding with anyone else, there's very little pressure for me to go fast or go slow. Like, I just ride how I want to ride right now, and I think that is what's going to be the redemption run of this situation right now. So I obviously want to get better with my body positioning, and I want to get comfortable riding a bike like this on these super tight technical curves. Amazing, man. It's a cool bike. I gotta come out these parts and appreciate it more. Take it to the track, if I'm gonna be completely honest. Well, there you have it, folks. It was an awesome day, and to be honest, I feel much better after that run. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I will catch you on the next one.
You say you got them guns, but I've never seen you bang. You say you got them drugs, but I've never seen you slang.